Not really a 124 scale collector by any means, but for some reason I had to pick this one up. I'm guessing it's just because it's such a awesome color combo of the red and the flames. Also not really a Camaro guy, but I don't know. This one just speaks to me for some reason. It's like a piece of art. Anyways, let's take a look at it. It's like, I do like Jada, I like their diecast that they make, but I hate their packaging. Man alive, it's never easy to get them out. Well, I managed to get it out, but I lost a screw in the process, and of course with it being a black screw and the way my carpet kind of has like some black specks in it, it blends in perfectly. It's fantastic. Anyways, let's take a close-up look at this guy. So let's see. The rotors do not turn. It does have rotors and calipers back there, but you can see they're not even in the wheel right there. They do fit in the wheel here, but it's a 124 scale. I guess you gotta be really picky in that. But then again, at the price point, these are higher priced, so it's a little bit, I guess, more forgivable. I mean, I still try to figure out why these are priced where they're at when you can get an M2 machines for almost the same price, but their detail is way more. And then you got Mazisto putting out models 118 scale about the same price point. Although I gotta say, this thing is heavy, so I'm guessing it's actually probably got the same amount of metal in it as the 118 scale Mazisto does. Big time muscle. Love the way that tire looks spinning. The Firestone spinning quickly. Going to blur. Like how the taillights kind of blend in with the body. I had nothing going on in the trunk. This is open the right way, right? There we go. The engine bay, it's pretty much, well, it is. It's just nothing but like plastic chrome in there. No detail. Oh, no stickers, no tampo hits. So basically you're paying, what is this, like 15, 16 bucks at the store. You're paying that much for the body. I mean, let's take a look at the interior. Well, it's like a DVD player. Some plain stickers on the dash. It's got some speakers inside, so it's got a little bit of detail on the inside. Kind of even surprised that they were willing to put some gauges in there, but all things considered. And it's interesting, it's got bucket seats in the back too. Nice. So, I don't know. It sure does look good at a standstill, but like if you're actually trying to, I guess, really examine it, there's not a whole lot going on. But I mean, if I had to do it again, I probably would have bought it at $10 if I found one on sale, but I don't know if I'd buy one at $15 again. I mean, the extra $5 can get me a M2, right? Or even a green light if you find the right place. Anyways, guys, let me know in the comments what you think of it. And as always, guys, happy hunting.